Good afternoon, welcome to Big Tippin'. Just picked up this s185 turbo Bobcat from a chicken farm. Alright, so we got white blue smoke, no power. Motor sounds good. It's not revving up at all, so we're gonna go over it. I've already pulled some of the air filter out and pulled some of the tubing off. But I'm gonna check the turbo, check the filters, and see if we can get a little diagnosis going on this thing, why it's not giving us the power she needs. Alright, so I've got the air intake off of this thing. I've been feeling around here in the turbo, and it's feeling pretty rough. I'm gonna guess if you can see that, that turbo's probably shot. So luckily I think we have a parts machine laying around that may have a good turbo on it, so we'll take a closer look at this thing and hopefully turbo's gonna get us right. Well, here's the turbo I was hoping was gonna work on the s185, but it's got a little bit different orientation on the compressor housing, and I don't think I'm gonna mess with trying to readjust that, so we'll probably go ahead and just order a new one and get some gaskets and try to get that thing going. We got the little helper over here driving the dad van. We have a little introduction on this thing here later this week. We're gonna do a video on buffing this bad boy. So we have it narrowed down to the turbo on this s185 turbo. Turbo's definitely fried, which you can see from the earlier video. So now I've been washing on this thing, got the outside fairly clean. I pulled all the side cover plates off. It's pretty impressive how much dirt is inside of this thing, and probably some chicken shit, being that it came off a chicken farm. But you can see this thing's never been cleaned out. The floorboard is packed. There's supposed to be pedals in here, by the way. I took off these front cover plates, broke a couple bolts off, nothing too serious. Packed full of those, you can see I chiseled a little bit out there, but you can see both sides are like that, full of shit. So this is going to be part one of the s185 turbo. We're going to get some parts ordered here in the next day or two, and get this thing put back together and see if we have any other issues going on. Don't forget, subscribe to Big Tippin', and we'll have some more equipment videos and hopefully some diesel trucks and stuff coming up too.